Courtney. Welcome back to another weekly living in Japan video. So remember last week I was telling y'all I wanted to do the full day only eating from the convenience store. So yeah, we're actually in motion with that video right now. I just got back from Lawson. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I didn't show that video what I got yet. They're gonna have to wait like the full day. So y'all know I go to the gym in the morning. I work out. So I had to go get like my pre-workout stuff, or like pre-workout meal. I really don't know what to call it. So I got my green tea that I normally drink. I got a little water. I got some yogurt. So y'all know I like my yogurt. I didn't see any granola at the convenience store that I was like, oh, I'm gonna want for a while, because I have like my real granola. This is only for one day, so I didn't want to just be wasting no money. But I also got this kind mini bar, so I'm thinking this could be my granola and then my yogurt, so that'll be for in the morning. And lastly, I got this acai for like after, but I'll probably drink it before the gym, just because once again I'm not doing like my normal stuff, so I need to improvise. So I think this is a good solid thing for breakfast. But other than that, I'm about to run to Amu Plaza. I ain't running nowhere, hold on. I'm about to walk to Amu Plaza to go see if they have any like short sleeve shirts. So it is starting to warm up here in Kagoshima. Also, some of the trees have started to bloom with the cherry blossoms. So when we walk through the park, I'll be sure to show y'all the few trees that have bloomed. Not all of them, so it's not like super like the cherry blossoms on like both sides and stuff, but it's just like a couple of trees like here and there have started to bloom, so that's beautiful. But let's go to Amu Plaza, see what kind of like short sleeve shirts that they have. Got back from Amu Plaza, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I went to Daiso, Big Camera, and Nico and. I use Nico and to put all the stuff in the bag. All right, we'll start with Daiso. I got some more standing dehumidifiers so I can put in the closets just so it can keep the moisture out. I got another memory card. Okay, y'all, I just went ahead on and got a 128 gigabyte memory card because I was getting the 64, but I am starting to record, take pictures, and all that kind of stuff more frequently, so we had to up the gigabytes. And lastly, from Nico and, I got 2 shirts and this like jumper dress set. So these are the 2 shirts I got, if y'all can see them. So it's just some short sleeve shirts, nothing too crazy. Just like I told y'all earlier, it is starting to warm up here in Kagoshima. So I just want to have some short sleeve shirts just so I can be a little bit more comfortable. And lastly was the dress. So it has the zipper in the front, and it has actually a zipper down here as well. So, you know, you can kind of do it how you want. But yeah, just a cute little dress, and I can put my short sleeve shirt under with my sneakers. Something real cute, real casual, real chill. So that's all I got from the store today. But right now I'm getting ready to figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner, because remember, tomorrow is nothing but Lawson. So I want to make sure I have me a good little meal today, because I don't know what is going to entail for tomorrow. Because my goal is to get things that I've had before just so I can try them and have them with you guys. But my other goal is to try things I haven't tried, like what is it called? Onigiri, something like that. Like things like that. Like I've never had it. Y'all, so I just finished my workout at the gym. Now I'm about to go put my backpack down so I can go do a run. I told y'all last week we're getting back into running because I do want to run some races this summer, so time to implement that back into my routine. I think I'm just gonna do a mile today because my schedule is randomly busy today, like very random. But had to go to the gym, doing my run, get back, eat. Got Japanese class at 2. AJ has a game today away, so it's online. And I gotta get my video up. So I think my upload days, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this camera to focus. I need to play with this camera some more because it's frustrating me. Like when I'm walking, the little thing will start just moving around and then I'm out of focus again. But anyways, what was I telling y'all about? Okay, yeah. I think my upload dates are now gonna be Wednesdays because it was Mondays, but Mondays were pretty difficult because if I recorded during the weekend, I would have to like be trying to get it to, you know, in my editing mode to get it up for Monday. But I moved it to Wednesday because that gives me Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday during the day to get everything settled, done, edited on my little reels or whatever I'm gonna post on Instagram. Kayobi.
So that's okay. Continue making the question.
Kino wa
Okay.
Kino wa Kayobi desu.
パステンスでいきましょう。火曜日
でした。
いいです。
昨日は火曜日でした。
もう一つ質問があります。明日は何曜日ですか？明日は何曜日ですか？
What was yesterday like?
Okay, 明日 is tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. So what is tomorrow?
そうです。
Okay. Tomorrow is today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. So 明日は木曜日です。
はい、その通りです。いいです。じゃあ次。
Hey y'all, so it's much later. So I just finished eating again from Lawson and I decided to come out here by the water. Look at the view. It's so beautiful. Back to the apartment now, but I have some thoughts about this Lawson's challenge I have going on right now. So I know my stomach, she done. She like, girl, you better get this last meal in, and that's it, because I've eaten 3 meals, 1 little set of snacks, and so now I think I'm gonna go ahead on and get some more snacks and probably what I'm gonna eat for dinner now, so I don't have to come back out later tonight, because AJ's game starts at 7, so I know after his game's over I'm not gonna want to leave. I want to stay inside, and then I need to finish the YouTube video, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop now, because I was gonna do it off of Uber Eats, but I'm like, I don't want to, you know, kill the experience, the vibe. We already been going to the store all day today. I done went to 3 different Lawsons today, so I'm tired of seeing Lawson. Okay. Hey y'all, hope y'all having a good day. So today we are going to the Kagoshima Aquarium. This is actually my first time going. I've always seen it. It always looks pretty cool and things like that, but I've never just like was really compelled to go. And so I thought about it today. I was like, I might as well go look at the aquarium. Like, get out the house, go do something. So let's go to the aquarium, and we're gonna ride the tram because I am just tired of walking. I feel like this week I have walked, I've ran. My body just needs like a little break. So we're gonna take the tram. So let's go to the Kagoshima Aquarium. now we are done at the aquarium. That was really nice. Like, I finally got to go over there. They had a dolphin show in about an hour, but I wasn't just gonna sit around for the dolphin show, so we didn't get to see it. So we just saw them, you know, swim up and swim down. But other than that, it was really nice. Like I told y'all earlier, that jellyfish exhibit, that was actually really, really cool because it was so many jellyfish. I think the next place on my list of things I want to see in Kagoshima will definitely be the zoo, but I can't go without AJ because he's already mentioned like he really wants to see the zoo as well. So we'll have to find some time to go do that, and we'll have to take a bus out there because it's not like just, I don't think it's just in Kagoshima City. I believe it's a little further out. So definitely gonna do that. Right now I'm watching AJ's basketball game, but I did Uber Eats some food because I am hungry after my adventures this morning of going to the aquarium. I ordered my favorite pasta, if y'all can really see it, because it's kind of dark right here. Can y'all see it? I think y'all can. Okay, so it's shrimp, tomato. The pasta I was telling y'all in the other weekly vlog. Remember? I was like, oh, the place don't open, like the hours or whatever. Yes, this is the pasta. So it's shrimp, tomato, garlic. Yeah. So that, and I also ordered myself some croissants. These are, well, I only got 2, but I got the chocolate croissant, and that's what it looks like. It's just a chocolate croissant, and I ordered a cookies and cream one. So what I like to do is warm them up. So like the chocolate melt a little bit, the cookies a little warm. Ooh, it's so good, y'all. I promise you, if you have not done it, please do it. But don't like walk away from the microwave. Like, you just want it to get a little warm, because if you leave it in there too long, it's gonna get too hot, and then it's just not no fun because you gotta wait on it to cool down and all that kind of stuff. So just like 10, like 12, 15 seconds at the max. But like, you gotta watch it, like I said, because I've messed it up a couple times. But yeah, right now I'm watching AJ's game. So today we're going to be doing my updated hair wash routine and basically how I style my hair now, especially since I am running out of my hair products here in Japan. So I am having to get a little creative, and what I've found works for me is doing these finger coils. I've noticed that these finger coils really work for me, in the sense of, like, if it's raining outside and my hair gets wet and gets frizzy, it still looks decent. Or just like everyday wear, I can do my half up, half down. I can do 2 buns if I want it. I can basically do just about any hairstyle I still want to do. It's just the difference is it has like this little twist to it, and I really like it, especially as it gets more and more frizzy, or you can see the wear on it. I really like how it looks. I just got out the shower and my hair has been sitting in the little clip. And first off, because I do get this question a whole lot about my hair, and is this all my hair even before I cut it? Yes, this is all my hair. This is my natural hair. All right, we're gonna go ahead on and get started. So since my hair has started to dry out a little bit, what we're gonna do is get the spray bottle, spray it, and just work it with each section like that, just because that is what's easiest for me. So what I'm going to do is split it into sections just like this. I really don't care about parts just because as I'm curling, they're kind of doing their own thing anyway. Also, if I didn't know, I really don't like product on my hands. I don't like water on my hands, and I hate touching wet hair. So I always wear gloves when I do my hair, or if I'm, you know, washing anybody's hair, I'm gonna put on gloves just because I just don't like that feeling. It's just not for me. So that's why I wear gloves, if you were curious about that. But we're going to spray each section. Clip this up some more. So we're going to spray each section with a nice hefty amount of water because my hair has dried out, and I just noticed it works better when my hair is basically damp or super wet. I'm only been using one product just because I am running low. So this is what we're going to use today because this is my favorite product to use. But I've also used this product, which I've gotten here in Japan. Obviously, you can see the writing at the top. And this has worked wonders on my hair as well. So once I officially run out of this one, I will switch over to this. But we're going to get a beautiful amount. It smells so good. That's also my favorite part about this Aunt Jessie's, what is it, curling pudding? It smells so good. Most of, I believe most of Aunt Jessie's products smell good, if I'm not mistaken.
Racing to the finish line, seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down this dirt road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones I let go. I thought by now you forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. Nice says, making noise, all I hear them say.
I just finished the last twist, so this is what it looks like. So currently it is wet, so it's just, you know, living its life. I don't want to touch it, but I need to because I need a bobby pin, like just the front back, because we're getting ready to go eat dinner. So I'm not going to be able to blow dry it right now, so it's gonna have to air dry, and then later on when we come back I'll probably have to blow dry it because it's not going to be dry by the time I go to bed. So I will see y'all at dinner. Hey y'all, so we just got back from dinner, so I just wanted to give y'all an update on my hair, where it's at. So this is about 70% dry because I keep touching it and I don't feel that much moisture. So I'm probably not gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna just wrap it up, see what it looks like tomorrow, and then if I do need to dry it, I will do it in the morning because we gotta go to the gym. And only if I've earned it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next weekly vlog.